Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith Domlink. If you're stopping by for the first time, welcome. In today's video I have a makeup transformation video for you guys. First, I'm priming my face using the Pond primer to prime my face. For foundation, I'll be using the Huda Beauty foundation and the NYS foundation. The Huda Beauty is shade 4 while the NYS is shade 201, and I'm using my foundation brush to apply it in. Guys, if you have not liked this video, just like. If you have not subscribed, just go ahead and subscribe. Subscription is free to get more of this beautiful video.
So from the pages of my heart, let my worship begin but never end.
Now I'm going to my beauty sponge to blend the foundation. Same time tapping out the excess product on it.
Let my worship begin but
See the way I blend it very well. Just take your time to blend. Blending is very good. And bring it down to your neck. I noticed I did do my own very well. For concealer, I'll be using the Usha concealer palette. I use the shade 2 over there to highlight my face, and I'm using the flat brush from Beauty Plant. Guys, you don't need too much concealer. I always say that in all my videos. Don't use too much concealer to highlight your face.
Your love is so overwhelming.
Now I'm blending using my beauty sponge to blend the concealer. Take your time to blend. Blending is very necessary, like I always said. Take your time to blend. I start from the edges, working my way in.
To your government, there is no end. So from the pages of my heart, let my worship begin but never end. So from the pages of my heart.
To contour my face, I'll be using the DD Girl Control Powder to contour my face. I use the shade 4 over there to contour my face. Then I mix the shade 4 and shade 2 together to contour my nose. Sorry, I did my brows off camera, and now I'll be highlighting using that same Usha concealer palette. I use the shade 3 and the shade 4 to highlight my face, to highlight my brows, sorry. Then take your time to do it. I slow this part, so I want you guys to understand it very well. I'm using the lighter shade now for that part. Then I'll be using the darker shade for the other side. And now I'm using the darker shade. For the top part, I use my foundation shade to highlight the top part of my brows, and I change the brush, if you can see. Just use any one that you are comfortable with, the one that can make you do it very well.
Cry
To set my face, I'll be using the Tara setting powder to set my face. I use the shade 3 over there. I'm just using to set the highlighted part of my face. As you can see, the part that I applied the concealer on. Make sure before setting you have to blend the concealer, then you set the concealer.
He's a pass of vellum through space and time. So from the pages of my heart, let my worship begin but never end.
Now I'm going to that aloe vera setting spray to set my face. It's a finishing spray, but I just want to set it fit. I want everything to blend in before I bake. And I'll be baking using the L'Oreal banana powder to bake. I use the lighter shade.
For he's my God and his name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh. Yahweh. Oh, he's my God and his name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh. Yahweh. Yes, you are.
Moving on to eyeshadow, I use the Morphe eyeshadow palette. I use the volume 2 over there. And I'll be going to that shade for my crease area.
You're my God. Your majesty revealed to all. Your love is so overwhelming. To your government there is no end. Your majesty revealed to all. Your love is so overwhelming. To your government there is no end. So from the pages of my heart, let my worship begin but never end. From the pages of my heart, let my worship begin but never end. To the God of all flesh, for he's my God.
Now I'll be cutting my crease using my eyeshadow primer to cut my crease. I'm using this same Morphe eyeshadow palette and I'm beginning to that shade over there for my transition color.
Indescribable. His name is hallowed in the firmament. He's a Passover lamb through space and time. Our God is indescribable. His name is hallowed in the firmament. He's a Passover lamb through space and time. So from the pages of my heart, let my worship begin but never end. So from the pages of my heart, let my worship begin but never end. To the God of all flesh, for He's my God and His name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh, Yahweh. For He's my God and His name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh, Yahweh. Oh, He's my God and His name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh, Yahweh. Yes, you are, yes, you are.
Now I'll be dusting out the excess powder on it, then at the same time pressing it in. To set the rest part of my face, I'll be going to my classic powder palette, and I use the shade 3 over there to set my face, which will be showing very soon.
Your love is so overwhelming. To your government there is no end. Your majesty revealed to all. Your love is so overwhelming. To your government there is no end. So from the pages of my heart, let my worship begin but never end. From the pages of my heart, let my worship begin but never end. To the God of all flesh, for He's my God and His name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh. Master of
For my lip, I use the Hudabeauty lip gloss. It's their purple shade, and I use their red shade over there. The two colors I'll be using is from Hudabeauty.
You are my God. You're my Savior, you're my friend and Yahweh. My living loving Father, you are. His name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh. His name is El Shaddai, Adonai. You are. My God and His name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh. Yes, Lord, Yahweh. Yes, you are. Yes, my God and His name is Yahweh. The God who was before time. God who will live. God who will live forever and ever. Yes, my God and His name is Yahweh.
I'm using mascara for my top lashes before applying my first lashes.
Lift your voice and worship. For He's my God and His name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh. Majesty.
Now I'm highlighting using the highlighter that came with my powder palette to highlight my face. And this is the end of the video. I hope you like. Let me know what you think in the comment section. You can share your thoughts with me. Thank you for watching. I love you. Bye. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Our God is indescribable. His name is hallowed in the firmament. He's a Passover lamb through space and time. Our God is indescribable. His name is hallowed in the firmament. He's a Passover lamb through space and time. So from the pages of my heart, let my worship begin but never end. So from the pages of my heart, let my worship begin but never end. To the God of all flesh, for He's my God and His name is Yah.